I've been teaching new media technologies here at the University of North Carolina School of Media and Journalism for 10 years. And it was kind of hard to teach a class about new media in a class that was built 20, 30 years ago. My name is Kayye. I'm an assistant teaching professor here at the University of North Carolina School of Media and Journalism, and I'm excited to show you our new Reese Lab, which is the simplest connected collaborative classroom for any campus. And we've had about 800 different universities inquire about the room. When you walk in the room, the first thing you see is no screen. We painted a screen on the wall. In addition to have projection in the front of the room, we have projection in the back of the room using the Nureva wall system. From the moment we turned on the Nureva wall, the students were wowed. Using the Nureva wall, we have the ability to have real-time collaboration synchronously and asynchronously, so the moment the class ends, the students can continue to collaborate on their projects. So all the lists, all the content they're bringing together, everything that's captured here in the room is available to them on their individual mobile phones, it's available to them on their tablets. So as you move around the room, you see that we don't have microphones hanging from the ceiling in here. We have one Nureva HDL300 that basically emulates 8,000 microphones in a room, literally. It's not often that you can really catalog a product as a game changer, but I think that the Nureva HDL300 is a true game changer because it's constantly monitoring what's in the room to balance the audio so that the things that are most important for the recording that we make is captured. So we put in a very sophisticated yet simple remote control system, and the entire room can be controlled through a browser, obviously. It can be controlled from a phone, but it can also be controlled from a keypad in the room, which is obvious to any professor that comes in. You want to project your laptop, you hit the laptop button. You want to project the Nureva, you hit that button. The room automatically records all of the lectures. So we have the ability to record to Facebook Live, to YouTube, so that students can interact with the recording in real time. So when I travel a lot, and so therefore, sometimes I have to travel during days I teach class. Well, instead of canceling class, I'm giving the students the same experience, not almost the same, but literally the same experience as if I'm standing in front of them in the front of the room. I want to thank you for joining me on this tour, and I'm excited to have been able to share this room with you, and it's freely available. All you have to do is go online and you can get a copy of the plans, and of course if you want to take a VR tour, see more photos of this room, you can do that online by going here.